Hey guys, today I'm gonna give you a how-to tip on how to cut an onion where it won't burn your eyes. What we're gonna do is we got our onion and we got us a bowl of water, and you're gonna take and put you some ice in the water, and that's gonna help cool the elements down inside of the onion that causes your eyes to burn. And also, you see where the root part is the strongest part of the onion, so that will be the first thing that you want to chop off and discard that. Peel your onion out. Gonna discard this and cut your onion in half. Let it submerge in the cold water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then once you let it submerge in your water 5 to 10 minutes, shake a little taste of your water out, but leave most of it on there, and then you can start cutting your onion. And that'll stop you from getting your eyes burnt up. Submerge them in cold water with ice. And that's how you do it. Watch for more amazing content.